Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm taking you on a journey, a Locs journey, which basically means just a short vlog. And a few weeks back, I made this mayonnaise treatment, which is basically a cholesterol treatment, and kept it in my fridge. As you guys can see, it still looks very fresh and it still smells amazing. In case you would like to make yours, by the way, I've put a link down below, check it out, and you can make it at home. This treatment is really good for hair that has dye or bleached or very dry. So I'm going to apply this with you guys and I hope you enjoy. So let's do it. I'm going to start from the roots, going to the lengths. Let me give it a little mix with my finger. I love working with my fingers, especially when it comes to my skin and my hair. So there we go, so well mixed. I just had to mix it a little bit because it had oil. Okay, so I'm going to start from one side to the other. By the way, would you guys want to see more vlogs, dreadlocks journey, or should I keep doing what I'm doing? So yeah, here goes. So what you need to do is just scoop a little like that, spread it, spread it like that, and then divide your hair into sections, starting from the roots to the lengths like that. Later on, I'm going to put my hair on a shower cap and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash it off. This is really economical, by the way, guys. If you're looking for something that would save your pocket, especially during these Rona days, I'd suggest to go for this. It's really economical. All you need is some oils and mayonnaise, and it's chemical free, no parabens, even better, right? Because personally I don't like chemicals on my products. That's why I normally stick to the natural products. And I think I'll be making this quite often. It's been a while since I made this. I wasn't sure what video I would put up this week, but I knew that I had a hair day, so I knew it was possible for me to put something like this, and I'm glad I've done it. And I really hope that you guys enjoy this. Please remember to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and leave your comment down below whether it's something you'd like me to do or change. I'm all ears, baby. Lend me your ears. Oh, lend me your thoughts and I will apply them. Look at that. And it still smells amazing. So for those of us who love home care, giving ourselves some home care, this is a good way to start. This is a very good spot for you to start, because it's not taxing, it's not that difficult, it's not that expensive, and you're not gonna end up using like the whole bottle of oil or mayonnaise. I just used spoons of them. The measurements, the ingredients, I just used spoons. So you guys can try this and let me know if you feel like it's gonna work, or if you think, let me know if it's gonna work for you. But it works for me. It works for me. Most of the time, if I'm like, I wanna save some coins, or I just want something made at home, I do it for myself. Every time I make something at home, that is saving coins in my pocket. So there we go. So if you're like me, you'd like to save some coins, I suggest you go right ahead and start doing this. Don't be shy about it. Don't even think about what people are going to say. After all, it's your pocket, it's your money, it's your hair, it's your life. And nobody has the right to judge how you live your life based on how they live theirs, especially. Because probably they're living theirs way off badly than you are. So don't think about it too much. Sometimes I feel very, very sad for people who are like, they can't do things because other people are going to say stuff about them doing those things, or they feel like the world is gonna judge them. And I'm like, who cares? It's your life. You don't have to be spending your life in fear or not doing stuff because people are going to say things about you. You see? I talk way too much sometimes. So bear with me. But again, I'm entertaining you, as you guys can see, both ways, with actions and with my mouth. So there's a time a friend of mine asked me, how do you sit in front of a camera and just talk? And I told her, just that, you sit or you stand in my case, and just talk. Try it, it's very therapeutic. And I'm almost done, guys. So you guys can see. And to be on the safer side, I'm going to go one more time. Well, not everywhere, but I'll try to like apply some more where there are spaces left, like here, the sides. I think it's getting dissolved because when I was starting from this side, I had applied like a lot. So I think the hair is absorbing it, and that's a good sign that it's going to work. And sooner or later, my hair will be glowing. By the way, that's another thing. Your hair will end up glowing from all the moisture and the glow factor from the mayonnaise. And then it will be healthier. It won't break anyhow. You know how our hairs, those with dreadlocks know what I mean. Sometimes you wake up and you find like one of the ends is very, very loose. You didn't even do nothing to it, but I think it's something that has happened over time. So yeah, this mayonnaise thing really helps. I've always been using mayonnaise treatment, by the way, for a long, long time, even when I didn't have dreadlocks. But I didn't know, back then I didn't know that like I could make mine at home. And over the years of research, reading about natural products, like you guys know, I'm a natural product advocate. I've come to love making my own stuff, DIYs. There you go. Let's apply, apply, apply. Your hair will be glowing, or in this case, my hair. I think I've touched all bases, so now I'm going to put a shower cap, hold it up high, put a shower cap, and then later on after 30 minutes I'm going to come and wash it off. Then after that, what follows is a moisturizing routine, and me retouching my hair. For my moisturizing routine, I already shot a video a while back. You guys can check from my old videos, and in case you want to try it, feel free to do it. And until next time, I'm so grateful you joined me for this short video. God bless you, keep you, maintain you. Please remember to subscribe and tell your friends about this video. Bye bye.